Morning class 6. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we will be discussing poem Mist. This is a funny poem in which the poet describes how he failed to catch the ball, right? And he gives many reasons for that. This poem is written by P.G. Wodehouse. He was an English comic novelist, short story writer, lyricist, and playwright with many popular novels, stories, poems to his credit. Jeeves and Wooster stories are the most famous amongst them. So let us read out the poem. The sun in the heavens was beaming, the breeze bore on odor of hay. My flannels were spotless and gleaming, my heart was unclouded and gay. The ladies, all gaily apparelled, sat round looking on at the match. In the tree tops and the dicky birds carolled. All was peace till I bulged the catch. My attention the magic of summer had lured from the game which was wrong. The bee that irritates hummer was droning its favorite song. I was tenderly dreaming of Clara on her not a girl in is a patch. When our horror there soared through the air a decidedly possible catch. I heard in a stupor the bowler amid a self-satisfied ah. The small boys who sat on the roller set up an unexpected hooray. The batsman, with grief from the wicket himself, had begun to detach, and I uttered a groan and turned sick. It was over, I would buttered the catch. Oh, never, if I live to a million, shall I feel such a terrible pang. From the seats in the far off pavilion, a loud will of escasity ran. By the handful, my hair, which is urban, I tore with a wrench from my thatch, and my heart was seared up deep with a raw burn at the thought that I would fuzzle that catch. Ah, the bowler's low, querulous mutter, Point's loud, unforgettable scoff. Oh, give me my driver and putter. Henceforward, my game shall be golf. If I'm asked to play cricket hereafter, wholly determined to scratch, life's wild of all pleasure and laughter, I bungled the easiest catch. So let us understand the poem. It was a sunny day. The breeze was filled with the smell of hay. It was a harvest season and the stadium was located near some area of cultivation. The poet was a cricketer and he wore spotless white flannels. See, flannel is the dress. He was quite happy and boastful about the weather. His mood that particular morning was very good. He had least of worries about the match being played. Ladies sat in the gallery watching the match progressing and the dicky bird sang. It was all perfect and it was magic of summer according to the poet. It would have been perfect day but something went wrong. The player missed an easy catch. But who was to be blamed for this? Was it the magic of summer? Yes, it was the magic of the summer that distracted his attention from the game. It was bee humming and it was the thought of Clara that distracted the player. The player turned sick and as he missed the catch, his heart seared deep with a raw, agonizing burn. All the players in the team scoffed at him, pointed at his errors. In the end, he gives up on the game of the cricket and believes that the game of golf is better one. He bungles a catch and then believes that life is empty of any pleasure and laughter. So, in this poem, the poet missed the catch, right? And he also accepts it that he was wrong because he was distracted, right? But in the end, he just give up cricket and he says that it is better to play golf in place of cricket. Okay, so is it right? No, it is not right. We should, whenever we are playing something, we should give our 100%. But sometimes we can make mistake. But it doesn't mean that we should give up right? So we should try, and sometimes we can make mistake, but we should learn from our mistakes, right? So this is the poem is all about. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.